Now with your Storm Team weather, here's Chief Meteorologist Josh Johns.
Welcome back, everyone. It looks like we're already kind of starting to see that cold wave come through.
We definitely are. But before it did, Mariah, we had a little bit of rain, not only the day before yesterday, but also not only yesterday, but even today. Today, technically, because after midnight is today, we picked up 0.03 of an inch of rain. That brings our monthly total to 2.47 inches, finishing December off 1.62 inches above normal. And check this out. 34.06 is what's going to go down in the record books for your 2018 rainfall total. A good 12.8 inches above, a foot above, and it's also the fourth wettest year on record. Let's give Mother Nature a round of applause there, guys. Got a wet year here in San Angelo, keeping things wet this year. That's good because we needed the rainfall. And now as we go through today, we've got sunshine working on in, but we've got more rain chances in the way. Some of it may be on the frozen side. As you take a look at the time lapse there, nice sunset, pretty calm. Temperatures going down into the 30s. Topped out today at a high of 62 degrees. Our low was 35, should be at 59 and 33. By the way, the record 84 in 1951 and 15 degrees in 1958. Big changes on the way. We've got a cold front that's working through the Concho Valley right now. That's going to lead to a cold New Year's Day for you and also bring the potential for some freezing rain on Wednesday. The good news is I've got a warm weekend in the forecast, which will be very rewarding after we get through the next few days. 19 degrees right now in Amarillo. It's 42 in Abilene. You can kind of make out the cold front working into our northern counties right now. 39 in Midland. It's 37 here in San Angelo. We had a little bit of radiational cooling, which allowed us to cool quicker. That's happened big time there in Ozona, where they're at 34, 40 right now in Brady, 41 in Ballinger, and 36 currently in Sterling City. Dew points are in the low 30s and upper teens. We aren't really going to see a big change in dew points behind this system. It's just straight up cold air that's working in. Winds currently blowing out of the north in our northern counties. Look at the winds back behind it, 10 to 15 mile per hour winds coming down the I-20 corridor. That'll be with us as we go through tonight, and that's going to have an effect on your temperatures. Not only will it cool them off, but it will make things seem cooler as we go through the night. By 2 a.m. feeling like the upper 20s, and by the time you wake up, we'll be feeling like the teens and only feeling up to the upper 20s as we go into the afternoon. You're going to want that jacket or that coat tomorrow as you leave to go anywhere. Look at the clear skies right now. We have a system off to our west producing rain over there towards Arizona, also towards New Mexico. It's going to bring a hard freeze to Arizona. That same system comes across, interacts with our cold front and is currently working down, and that's what brings us that chance of freezing rain as we go into Wednesday. Out ahead of it, winter storm watch currently in effect all the way from Paint Rock up into portions of the western Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and that includes 3 counties in our viewing area. It includes Runnels, Concho, and McCullough. That goes in effect Wednesday at 3 a.m., and all the way through 6 p.m. there on Wednesday. Let's take it through time on Futurecast, kind of show you how this pans out, because it should start to cloud up as we go through the night. Maybe a few breaks in the clouds tomorrow in the afternoon. If that happens, we'll get up into the 40s. Right now, I've got a high of 39, and as we get into the overnight hours tomorrow night, the clouds coming back, the moisture's coming back, and when you wake up, likely going to see some sleet, freezing rain, too, mixing in with some of this stuff as we start off your Wednesday, favoring the eastern half of the viewing area. That's where the biggest impact should be, but the newest run of our model does bring some snow, freezing rain stuff in as we go into Wednesday night and into Thursday in the overnight hours. If that happens, it could be a little rough start there on Thursday with some ice on the roadways, but by the time we get into Thursday afternoon, it's starting to clear up. So days you probably don't want to drive to the east is going to be Wednesday and maybe even Thursday morning. Not going to be a situation you want to get yourself into. I want to show you this real quick. If we can go to it, and we won't be able to go to it, we'll just go on to your 7-day forecast. 39 there for your New Year's Day. I've got 34 on the board for Wednesday. And what I wanted to show you was most of the models we look at are agreeing that we see the potential for freezing rain here in the Concho Valley. They're just differing on the amounts and the exact locations, but it's looking like it will happen somewhere here in the Concho Valley. Right now, our best thinking is it's going to be off to the east. 34 Wednesday, 45 Thursday, and then we're back into the 60s as we head into your weekend. That's the good news. Of course, we'll be watching it very closely for you. Keep you updated online and on social media. Stay with us, and we'll be right back.